Syncing your Google Calendar with Fergus helps you stay on top of schedules, whether it's work commitments or personal events like doctor's appointments or family gatherings. This prevents double booking and keeps your team's availability clear. Let's walk through how to set it up and how it works. Step 1. Enable the integration. In Fergus, go to Settings, Integration Center, and find the Google Calendar integration. Toggle on the integration in the top right. If you turn this off, it will unlink all staff calendars. Step 2. Sync your Google Calendar. Each user needs to sync their own calendar for privacy reasons. Here's how. On Fergus Desktop, click your profile in the top right. Select Google Calendar Sync and choose to sync Fergus events to Google, sync Google events to Fergus, or sync both ways. Click Continue, then log into your Google account to authorize Fergus. Once connected, a G symbol will appear next to the user's name in the Fergus calendar. Hover over it to check the sync status. Step 3. Confirm the connection in Google Calendar. Open your Google email and confirm adding Fergus events to your calendar. On your mobile device, open Google Calendar. Tap the menu, Settings, and under your synced email, select Fergus to Google Calendar and toggle Sync On. How it works. Google events in Fergus are marked with a G icon. They cannot be edited in Fergus, so update them in Google Calendar instead. Fergus events in Google will display the Fergus account name and job number in the title and must be edited in Fergus. Want to hide Google events in the Fergus calendar? You can toggle them off in the calendar by clicking the Settings cogwheel. And that's it! Now you can seamlessly manage schedules across both platforms without missing a beat.